Okay, good evening, all of you. See, so last class I have given valency bond theory. Simply, it is called VBT, valency bond theory. Okay, there I have explained already few properties, postulates of valency bond theory I have given. Now, so in that valency bond theory after postulates, now types of overlapping. See, I have started end of the section which one? Types of overlapping. So here types of overlapping during the formation of during the formation of single covalent bond involving S and P orbitals. What I have given during the formation of single covalent bond involving S and P orbitals. S and P orbitals. Three different types of overlaps are possible. Three different types. Okay, what are they? First one, SS overlapping. SS overlapping. S orbital overlapping. Second one, PP overlapping. P orbital overlapping. Third one, SP overlapping. Okay, first one, see, SS overlapping. For SS overlapping, I have given good example, formation of H2 molecule. I have given this one. Formation of H2 molecule. It is an example of SS overlapping. Okay, how to say that? So what is overlapping? See here, the overlap between two half filled. For example, if we can take hydrogen having, we know that only one electron, that orbital having one electron. So according to rule, the orbital can accommodate two electrons, but here it is a half filled, only one electron is there. So second hydrogen also same like that only. It contains one electron, one s orbital having, it is also half filled. Now listen, the overlap between two half filled two half filled s orbitals. It is a one s orbital. It is also one s orbital. That is nothing but s orbital. S orbitals of two different atoms. S, it is a first hydrogen, that is a second hydrogen, whatever the two atoms. The overlap between two half filled, it is one half filled, that is second half filled. Two half filled s orbitals of two atoms with the opposite spin. Okay, when these are overlap, okay, one atom electron we want opposite spin. Okay, if I have taken opposite spin, so that is called SS overlapping. Okay, see, for example, I have taken, it is a first hydrogen atom. So I have taken one hydrogen atom. We know that the hydrogen atom, 1s orbital. It is a hydrogen atom. So s orbital, s hydrogen atom, the electron present in s orbital. What is the shape of s orbital? Spherical. Here I have taken, so orbital means it is a three-dimensional. So I have taken three axes, x-axis, y-axis, that is nothing but z-axis. See here. So S orbital, spherical. I have taken spherical. So it is a S orbital means compulsory that electron present in this spherical region. I have taken here electron. See this electron. So I have taken, okay, clockwise. This is the electron. Now second hydrogen atom, same like that only. It belongs to 1s1. Now second hydrogen atom, say it is second hydrogen atom. It is also the electron present in s orbital, that is 1s1 indirectly. See, that is also same three-dimensional. I have taken three axes. It is nothing but x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. It is also spherical shape. S orbital is nothing but spherical shape, having one electron. Okay, that electron I have taken here. Okay, I have taken opposite spin, no problem. One is upward direction I have taken, second one downward direction, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now, both the hydrogens overlap. Okay, how to these are overlap? See, first hydrogen atom s orbital, it is overlapping with second hydrogen atom s orbital. Okay, here both are spherical only. See this. So in this case, say, so when these orbitals are overlap, so having one clockwise electron, other one is anti-clockwise electron. So because of that overlap, here to form between covalent bond, it is nothing but H2, HH. It is called H2 molecule. So first hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom. So this bond is formed by, this overlapping is nothing but bond. This bond is formed by due to first atom s orbital and second atom s orbital. So I have given it is a SS bond, SS overlapping, SS overlapping. At the same time, if any two orbitals, listen, if a covalent bond, if a covalent bond formed with its electron cloud concentrated along the internuclear axis. See, so both are, it is a internuclear axis. If the covalent bond formed with its electrons cloud concentrated along to the internuclear axis, that bond is called sigma bond. What we can say, sigma bond. So for example, hydrogen between covalent bond. So this covalent bond is formed by due to s orbital overlapping. First hydrogen s orbital, second hydrogen s orbital. So this covalent bond is formed by, so both orbitals along on internuclear axis. So this is called sigma SS bond. I will give what is called sigma bond, what is called pi bond. Sigma bond is formed by due to So internuclear axis overlapping to form sigma bond, sidewise overlapping to form the pi bond. Bonds are two types, covalent bonds, sigma bond and pi bond. So now linear overlapping of atomic orbitals results in the formation of sigma bond. Linear overlapping as. So both are linearly overlapping. So due to linear overlapping, formed covalent bond is called sigma bond. That sigma bond here how to form? Because due to SS overlapping. This is called sigma SS. That's why I have given sigma SS representation. Now, if we can take second one, PP overlapping. See this? p orbital overlapping. For example, formation of halogens. Halogens nothing but F2Cl2 Br2 I2. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are called halogens. Formation of halogen. For example, I have taken F2. How to form F2 molecules? See, so here formation of H2 have taken here. Formation of F2 fluorine. Not only that, similar to Cl2, same, Br2, same, I2, same. Okay, why it is an example of PP overlapping? See, for example, if you can take fluorine atom, say two fluorines are there, each fluorine atomic number here 9. Say what about its electronic configuration? How do we can say that? 1s2, one is upward, other one is downward. 1s2 followed by 2s2, 2s2 followed by what I have given in electronic configuration rules given. Total number of electrons are 9. 1s2, 2s2, 4 electrons are completed. Remaining 2p. 2p contain how many electrons?
5.
Very good, 5 electrons. Okay, how to take according to rules? 1, 1, 1, followed by out 2 electrons. Now here pair, here pair. Series. That is only not 2p5. According to rules, how do we represent electronic configuration of fluorine like that only? 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Now see here. So what I have given covalent bond is how to form. I have given before half filled orbitals required. Half filled. Half filled means this orbital. Say so 2p. I have given any p orbital. Any p orbital, 3 suborbitals, this means px, py, pz. Am I right? Px, py, pz. Here 2px, that is fulfilled. 2 electrons required, 2 electrons are there. 2py, that is completely filled. 2pz. Okay, how to say this exact electronic configuration according to rule? 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz1. Okay, directly we can say generate 2p5. 2p5 means 2px2, 2py2, 2pz1. Here, which orbital is half filled? Which orbital is half filled?
PZ.
2pz. Which orbital? 2pz. Having only one electron, 2pz1. So now, each fluorine like that only. I have taken first fluorine 2pz orbital. So I have taken fluorine atom, first fluorine atom. Okay, 2pz orbital, p orbital, 2pz, 2pz. P orbital shape, what about that? P orbital shape.
Dumbbell.
Very
Dumbbell
good.
shape.
दात काढलेली.
Dumbbell.
dumbbell shape. Any p orbital, the shape is nothing but dumbbell. So that is oriented along one axis. See this. I have taken one axis. Okay, dumbbell shape means see this. This dumbbell oriented present on axis. So it is a p orbital. See this. P orbital. Particularly which p orbital? 2pz1. 2pz1. Okay, otherwise we can take 2p, no problem. Half filled orbital lena hai. 2pz1. Okay, same like that. Second fluorine. Second fluorine also same. It is a fluorine atom, first atom. Second fluorine atom, take that. That is also same. Pz orbital, dumbbell. Pz orbital, dumbbell. So it is what about the p orbital, dumbbell shape? 2pz. 2pz1. Z1 means having one electron, half filled. See. 2px2, 2py2, 2pz. According to rule, how we can represent? This is a 2px2. This is a 2py2. This is a
2pz1.
Like that. Generally, we can say
2pz1.
2p5 means that is only meaning 2px2, 2py2, 2pz1. 2pz1. Now, so this is a fluorine last half filled orbital electron. If I have taken here, see, one electron, single this one. Now, this orbital having also an electron is present as, okay, I have taken an electron here. No problem, sir. One electron you have taken upward, other electron taken downward. Choice is ours. So, for overlapping strong one है तो opposite है तो strong overlapping हो जाता है. So that's why I have taken one is the clockwise, other one is the anti-clockwise, upward, downward, electron, electron. इसमें एक electron, first fluorine में, second fluorine में और एक electron रहते हैं. Now, so both are overlap. Same like this. Both are overlap to form sigma bond. See this dumbbell, that dumbbell. Both the dumbbells are overlapping. See, both the dumbbells are overlapping. Here, how many electrons are present? 2 electrons. First fluorine p orbital on electron, second fluorine p orbital on electron. This is called F2 molecule. This is sigma bond. It is also linearly overlapping. Linearly. Because due to linear overlapping, always to form sigma bond. Because due to linear overlapping, always to form covalent bond, that is called sigma covalent bond. So this is PP. So this is called PP overlapping. If you don't know that, okay, leave that. PP overlapping. It is SS overlapping. If the overlapping takes place linearly, that is called sigma. Sigma PP overlapping. It is called F2 molecule. F2 molecule. Okay. SS overlapping. PP overlapping. SS overlapping. That is clear? It is called
Yes, sir.
It is called PP overlapping. P orbital, dumbbell. The overlap between two half-filled p orbitals. Half-filled, देख लो. That orbital having only one electron, half-filled. Complete fill तो 2 electrons required here. एक box में 2 electrons है तो complete fill. एक box में 1 electron है तो half fill. See, the overlap between two half-filled p orbitals of two atoms with the opposite spin is called PP overlapping. This is called F2 molecule. FF combined to form F2. Generally, up to now 10th class तक F2 means between fluorine लेते हैं, F between a covalent bond. That is called F2 molecule. It is also same like overlapping. Here to form the sigma bond means there is nothing but sigma covalent bond. PP overlapping to form that bond. Sigma PP bond. Now, similarly, say that SP overlapping. Now, see SP overlapping. Okay, for SP overlapping, I will give an example. Hydrogen fluoride. Okay, hydrogen halide. Hydrogen and halogen, anyone. See, hydrogen fluoride. It is an example of SP overlapping. Now, see, SP overlapping. Formation of hydrogen halide. Now, listen. SP overlapping here, hydrogen. Hydrogen 1s1. Fluorine. What about fluorine? I have given here. See. One S2, 2s2, 2p5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2p5. Same this one, fluorine. It is can never change. Fluorine atomic number 9. It contains 9 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. It is nothing but 2px2, 2py2, 2pz1, same like that only. Now, so here this hydrogen having half filled, only 1 electron. Fluorine last 2pz orbital like this. Last 2pz orbital half filled. So see, first hydrogen atom, I will take 1s, hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom 1s orbital. S orbital means I have taken spherical shape. Spherical. S orbital spherical. Plus. S orbital how many? Half filled में 1 electron. I have taken that electron here. Now, so next fluorine atom. See, fluorine atom. Fluorine atom which orbital? 2pz1 orbital. 2pz1. Same like this only. 2pz1 orbital is the half fill. So that is a dumbbell shape. Say this, dumbbell. Dumbbell shape. See this. So hydrogen atom, fluorine atom. So hydrogen atom having 1 electron, fluorine atom having 1 more electron. So half fill, half fill. Now both are overlap. See, both are how to overlap? Same. Before it is a s orbital of hydrogen atom overlapped with it is a hydrogen s orbital spherical. It is a fluorine p orbital, 2pz orbital, dumbbell. Here hydrogen 1 electron, here F. So it is called HF. 2 electrons are equals to 1 covalent bond. 1 bond equals to 2 electrons. So HF. This is also linearly overlapping. Because of that reason, This is called PP overlapping, particularly sigma PP overlapping. If you not understood sigma, okay, remove the PP overlapping. Sorry, it is which overlapping? What is the overlapping type?
PPO.
No, which overlapping? It is which orbital? Yes. It is which orbital? P. So it is which overlapping? Yes, P. Oh, I understood or not? Hydrogen atom s orbital, fluorine p orbital overlap. Hydrogen s orbital half filled orbital, fluorine half filled p orbital overlap to form sp overlapping. Before, see this. Fluorine, first fluorine p orbital, second fluorine p orbital overlap. So pp overlapping. Before H2, I have given which overlapping? H2. So hydrogen overlapping, which overlapping?
SS.
Very good. SS overlapping. Why? Because first hydrogen atom s orbital and next hydrogen atom s orbital. Both are orbitals are overlap. So SS overlapping. H2, the formation of H2 is an example of SS overlapping. The formation of F2 is an example of PP overlapping. The formation of HF is an example of SP overlapping. Understood difference? Spherical means this is a s orbital. Dumbbell means p orbital. Dumbbell, pp. Spherical, ss. Spherical, ss. Dumbbell, pp. Spherical, sp. Like that we are identified. S orbital shape is a spherical. P orbital shape is a dumbbell. Right? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
It is clear.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow has a test.
No, beta. Tomorrow test nahi na. अभी tomorrow there is no test. Okay, next Sunday test हो गया 100%.
So when offline class will start?